Now for the spark plugs. You have 4. You need to remove this plug. You have a 8mm bolt in each one of them, and then we remove it with 16mm socket. Let me show you. Push it down. It's come right out. It's a little bit difficult, so be patient with it. I push down and out. This is much easier. No splitter. Push it down. Much better. Little trick for you if you having troubles to remove it. No splitter. Now I take 8mm extension with extension. Right. Trying to show you this bolt, okay? This, not this, this. To invest in one of these sticks magnets, it's really helpful. Just grab the bolt, push it to the side. It's really top tip. Doing it with common hand tools, nothing special. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section below. I will try my best to help you out. My channel is all about helping. Now, you can try to pull it from here, but you need to be very careful not to break it. So what you do is take it left and right to free it up. When it's free, try to take it out. So in my case, it's come right out, but I'm telling you right now, if it's getting hard for you to take the coal out, you need to come left and right, and even with a screwdriver, let me show you, and pry it gently, very gently up and down until it out. Okay, now I have a ratchet with extension and a 16mm magnetic socket. I will put links to all that stuff in the description box below. So if you have any comments and questions, you can ask me. This is the plug. Put the socket over it, put it in the left position, and maybe 2 hands, no, 1 hands. Socket, put it inside, right here. Now I gently push it, take it down very gently. Now I take it a little bit left, so it's saddle. Now only with my fingers tight, I tighten it up so it doesn't cross thread. Okay, now it's in, take it in all the way, and I do it for all the four plugs, remaining plugs.